So let's get this wax out of your right ear. As I said, just stay nice and still. If it's too noisy, let me know. So I've loosened the wax, I'm bringing it towards the entrance, but the entrance narrows, so I'm getting a large piece of wax through a narrow entrance, so I'm just going to have to wriggle at it. It is coming out there. A lot of hair matter to it as well. Feeling okay?
Great.
Nearly there. Right at the entrance now. So all the wax is gone. It's just your ear canal's a bit damp with all the drops you've been using. I'm going to vacuum as much as I can, but
Good one.
we've got to just be careful because we don't want to start grazing the canal wall. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So the ear canal is completely clear, your eardrum's very healthy. Just obviously a bit of staining of wet wax around the edge of the ear canal wall. It's just because of the drops. That will dry out and naturally come out, and that's what's come out of your ears. You can see it's all in the tissue here. You can see the colour of it.
Oh gee, that's
It's quite black. So that's oxidised wax. Earwax is generally a paler shade of brown. However, when it's been in the ear for a long, long time, like this has, the oxygen reacts with it, so it becomes oxidised and it turns into a blackish colour. So that's quite a big chunk there.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, so how are you feeling?
Pretty great.
Yeah, wasn't uncomfortable in any way?
Yes. No, yours not.
Oh, that's good.
I know beforehand.
I know you said, yeah, when you had syringing in the past.
I used to be trying to put my finger and try and peer it.
Ah, no, you want to avoid that.
Try and avoid that, yeah.
Yeah, the old phrase, don't put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear, still applies. Yeah, all done. So I'll show you what it looks like on the camera now.